everybody, today I discuss three-phase energy meter connection and your share three-phase energy meter connection and diagram. Three-phase energy meter, three-phase line volt 440V 50 AZ, first phase red, second phase yellow, third phase blue and neutral. Input connection, first phase red supply, three-phase meter, first terminal input, blue connection supply, three-phase meter third terminal এবং yellow connection fifth connection three-phase terminal, neutral connection 7 terminal. Output connection, main distribution board, yellow connection, input main distribution board, blue connection and neutral connection and red connection input, and output distribution board, circuit breaker, output connection complete.